Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to talk about how to make TikTok account private. So let's get started. As a first step, go to your profile by tap here. Then click here at the top. Then settings and privacy. Now choose privacy. And here you can see this option, private account. All you have to do is turn this on like this. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.